Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best clipboard dry erase on the market, the Clipboard Dry Erase Surface by TradeQuest. If you're someone who loves the convenience of a clipboard combined with the functionality of a whiteboard, this product might just be your perfect match. This clipboard measures 9 inches by 12.5 inches, making it letter size and very easy to handle. It's designed to be compact enough to carry around, yet spacious enough for writing or clipping your important papers. Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, the size is ideal for organizing documents and jotting down notes on the go. One of the standout features of this clipboard is its dry erase surface. Unlike traditional clipboards, this one allows you to use your favorite dry erase markers directly on the board, giving you a reusable space to write reminders, to-do lists, or quick sketches without wasting paper. The surface is smooth and durable, making erasing quick and effortless every time. The clipboard is constructed with a metal body, offering both durability and a sleek look. The low-profile clip is polished metal with a strong spring that holds papers securely. It can comfortably hold between 80 to 100 sheets of regular paper, which is quite impressive for a clipboard of this size. What's more, the clip corners are rubberized to provide a better grip and to prevent your documents from slipping or getting damaged. Another thoughtful design element is the retractable hanging loop. This loop can be tucked away when not in use, allowing you to hang the clipboard on a hook or peg for easy storage or accessibility. This feature adds convenience, especially in busy environments like classrooms, offices, or workshops. The edges of the clipboard are smooth and rounded, preventing any accidental scratches or discomfort while handling. Additionally, the black-coated back surface is designed to be gentle on the surfaces you place it on, so you won't have to worry about marks or scratches on desks or tables. This clipboard's lightweight build, just around 6.7 ounces, makes it easy to carry all day without fatigue. Whether you're taking notes on the go, conducting inspections, or organizing paperwork, this clipboard combines portability with functionality seamlessly. To sum it up, the TradeQuest Clipboard Dry Erase Surface offers a practical blend of a sturdy clipboard and a reusable dry erase board in a convenient letter size. It's perfect for anyone who needs a durable, easy-to-use writing surface with secure paper holding capability. If you want a clipboard that doubles as a dry erase board, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.